Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a clay from an eraser. The things are a pen, an eraser and a ruler. So let's start. Take the eraser and rub it until it became a soft. I am using here an eraser of Doms because it was soft and it's easy to make clay. So after making it soft, take the ruler and rub it like this. After rubbing, we can color it. I am coloring here it red. Take a red pen and rub it on a page or backside of the book. After coloring red, we can take the clay which softened before and rub it on it with the ruler. Do this process for 5 to 10 times so it will become red color. So let's do it. And now the color was changing. I'm doing more and more, and now the color was little changed. We can do it for more times. Just changing. I'm doing it in another place, coloring it and rubbing it. Now the color has changed. Look this, the color has changed. It was a pink, and if you make more times it will be red. Look at this, my before. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.